Welcome back. In this video, let us understand how to change the display settings on Windows 11. If you want to change the display settings, you have to simply right click on the desktop, display setting. You can change the resolution, and there is an option to set the night light so that it will be warmer to block the blue light, and you can also scale the layout. Let me select display resolution. I will make it to 1920 and 1080. So this is my monitor which supports 1920 and 1080 pixel. Keep the changes. If I wanted to enable night light, click on this and you can enable the strength of the blue light. You can turn on or schedule the night light at particular duration. So I'll set turn on. I wanted to turn on after 7 o'clock so that (7 to 7 a.m.). So I'll set the hours so that there is no blue light during this period. So come back to display. If you wanted to scale, you can select the percentage at which the display has to be scaled. 125%, 150%. I'll keep it 100%, which is recommended, and also it gives good viewing area. And click here to change the text size. If you wanted to increase or decrease the size of the text, you can come here and resize the text and click apply.